You are watching an unaspected benefit of eating frog meat. If you are watching for the first time, click on subscribe button and turn on notification to notified when I upload new videos. Frog, Moreh Gow, are rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, and potassium. They are often said to taste like chicken because of the mild flavor, with a texture most similar to chicken wings. The taste and texture of frog meat is approximately between chicken and fish. Based on the research, there are many health benefits of frog meat. So, what do you think when you hear frog? Yes, many old people feel disgusted or scared with this amphibian. But it was different with the children. The children is usually like the frog because it has funny shape. It like to jumping and no biting them, too. The frog has short and plump body. Its back is rather down. Frog's skin is smooth and moist. The frog also has long hind legs. Because of that, some people love the frog. Frog meat's nutrition. The frog of meat is usually used in many events. For years in restaurant of Tiong Hoa, the frog has been known as a kind of food which it is so delicious. They call this food as sui ki, sui, water, ki, chicken. They give that name because its legs make people remember about drumsticks. 1. The source of animal proteins. The meat of frog is very good for our healthiness because it has high content nutrition as the source of animal proteins. Even, many people believe that the frog can cure some diseases. It is the same with the health benefits of eating insects. 2. Cure the impotence of man. We can make juice from the frog meat, and it really has benefits for curing the impotence of man. In Peru, this juice is called as Viagra because it is very fit for the man who has a problem with his impotence. Even, the people in Peru believe that the juice of frog also can increase their energy. 3. Solve the heart defects. The one of health benefits of eating frog is curing the wound of heart defects. Before eating the frog, we have to cook it. And one of the way to cook a frog is cutting it in 2 pieces and mixed it with stinky beans, garlics, and pepper that ground softly. After that, all of the contents are boiled into water, then add salt and 2 teaspoons of honey. When you boiled the frog, you didn't have to cook it more than 20 minutes. Therefore its extract meat would be lost. Beside that, you can consume garlic for make your heart more healthy. 4. Prevent asthma. Beside impotence, the juice which made from frog meat can prevent asthma, too. This juice is very famous in Peru. It calls extracto de rana. It is the best selling in Lima town market. 5. As antibiotics. The skin that stick on frog meat have many good substances. They have function to kill microbes which cause diseases. That is proven by scientists of United Arab Emirates University team. They did the research for making modification about substances that stick on frog's meat. So the people can use it as antibiotics. One of antibiotics can fight Staphylococcus aureus that caused many patients die in the hospital. 6. Cure wounds quickly. The scientist of Professor Chris Shaw found fire build of frog's meat produced proteins that can cure wounds quickly. Even, it can cure the patient in many diseases. 7. Prevent bronchitis. Besides the health benefits of frog meat prevent asthma and impotence, the juice from the meat of frog can prevent bronchitis too. In Peru, this juice are very famous. It calls extracto de rana. It is the best selling in Lima town market. 8. Cure the stroke defects. According to Professor Shaw, the meat of frog has potentials to curing many diseases and other conditions where needed to repairing blood vessels quickly, such as solving the stroke defects. 9. Good for diabetes sufferers. Same with heart sufferers. Diabetes sufferers also can eat the meat of frog to curing his diseases. Because based on the research, the meat of frog can cure the wound of diabetes sufferers. They also can do some diabetes treatments. 10. Cancers prevention. Based on the research of Professor Chris Shaw, who come from United Kingdom, he succeed to identification of 2 proteins which produced of frog's meat can solve cancers. 2 proteins of the frog are waxy monkey. It can inhibits the growth of blood vessels and kill cancerous tumor. Caution of eating frog meats. Although there are many health benefits of frog meats for our body, we have to be careful with it. Based on the Warden of Wildlife, if we ate frog meat to excess, it can cause some diseases, start from cancer until renal failure, stroke and disable. It's happened because the frog get agrochemistry and there is cancer elements in frog meats. Beside that, in frog meats, there are many worms. It also can make us get headache. So, if you want to consume frog meat, you have to be careful. You can eat the frog that do not have toxin. So that, you can prevent bad effects from frog meats. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, comment and share.